router link on click. Oh, I could just do this. Oh. I can just do on click. Okay. Okay, that works. I think you're onto something. You're onto something. So on press equals, and then I'll just do like alert hello, something like that. Oh. Okay. Okay. And it didn't actually navigate anywhere. You just saved me a bunch of time. Good. That makes sense. Okay, so we have this on press, and this should just be so this is if the server status. Okay, so let's do retry connection. It's not gonna let me bring that up. Okay, retry connection. Wait, what? It's telling me to just do a reload, a complete reload. If that works, that would be awesome, actually. Whoops, I did the wrong thing. All right, let's try this again. Jamon, I used to use GPT-4 a lot, but in the last 2 weeks, last few weeks, I started using Copilot Chat more, and I noticed a big difference. It seems to be better. What am I missing? Copilot Chat has gotten a ton better. And there's actually a new at workspace thing that if you just do at workspace, it'll analyze your files. Let me show you. How do I change the server status icon to a red color? When I do the at workspace, you can actually see that it's like, it's gonna like analyze your workspace and then it found 13 references. Pass a color. What does it say? Modify the server icon like this. What is this button here? Server icon. The sidebar component. Is that? Is that right? Server icon? That's not a thing. Doesn't look like it's a thing. Yeah, it's not a thing. So it hallucinated. Well, that was disappointing. that work? Oh, wow. What? It was right. It just had server icon as being the wrong thing, but instead of icon. It worked? Oh, wow. What if we did that? Like, hey, no, I'll just leave. I'll just do this one. I'll just do this one. So color equals color. And then we'll not color, icon color. And then icon color is a string. And then on color is a string. Icon color equals icon color. No. Okay. Yellow. Okay. All right. There we go. Yes. Just this one is yellow. That's not bad. Okay, so yeah, but just to answer the question, you can do that. And thank you for reminding me because I just watched a video about this. It's really good. Yeah, it's really good. You can also do this. File. Stateless.tsx. What's the point of this? Of stateless. Yeah. No. Wait. What? Okay, that did not work. I thought it was. It was file. I thought it was file. Anyway, there's another command, but at workspace is nice. By the way, what's the command for chat? It'd be nice to know that one. Yeah, so if you just do at workspace, then yeah, otherwise it's kind of more basic. All right. Back to this. So we got this stuff. It's just doing a reload, which means if I go over here, okay. That's not that bad, right? Slash commands? I don't think it's slash because that's what I used in Flame, but yeah, it's not. There's some different things here, but that's not it. Workspace, explain, test, fixed, new notebook, terminal. VS Code API. Yeah, maybe I don't have the latest version or something. Check for updates. Reload required. Okay, it didn't help. Whatever. Okay, so just doing a... Okay, so I'm going to put a to-do here. Reconnect more elegantly than forcing a reload. Wait, why is this? Why did it say... Okay. Now if I refresh... Okay. Now, also, I don't want started. I probably don't want started and port in use and stuff like that. So I need to fix that. And then I think I'm done. Okay, after a reload, port in use pops up. After like a fast refresh, port in use shows up. By the way, this is what shows up on the home screen once you have a connection. It's really lame. We need to do better. It's just staying. It's good. Yeah, it goes to port in use. It's only reloading the page. I know, but as soon as you reload the page, it starts up the WSS server again. It just reloads everything. Because it's Electron, so it's kind of starting everything. I'm kind of okay with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some screenshots. There's that one. And then I want to do one with this loaded. So I have to close this. And we'll create the PR and then I'm done. Nice. Nice, Mark. Screenshot there. And then oops. Okay. Wait, why does it say started? Shouldn't it be... Oh, not server status. We need to do server text. So I need to do these again. Okay, there's that one. Port in use probably should say what port we're doing. that work? Yeah, that works. Port 9090 in use. Or unavailable. Port 9090 unavailable. Device waiting for connection. This definitely needs to be fixed, but I don't know if I feel like trying to do that. Wait, I might be able to do it. Connections. Yep, I can do it here. Server status. Nice. Yep, I can do that. Okay. Header. That's not the header I'm looking for. Don't think. Okay. It's footer. I'll just say started on all those just to get out from there, but it would be the footer. Perfect. Very nice. I can set that through. And now, actually, in this, where was I? Put an Easter egg. We had an Easter egg in the Chain React app one year. That was pretty fun. Okay, this is actually it. Yeah. So, unchange connection. Wait. What's render method here? Render expanded or render collapsed. Okay, so server status. So that means I need the server status here as well. Okay. There is a retrying there. No, not port in use. I don't want that. Wait, what? Does that work? On click. Would this work? Okay. We'll see if that shows up. Okay, then we need okay. This one, and then we need a server status stopped. For server to start. Okay, so I don't know if this will work. What'd I do? Length. Ah, okay. Waiting for connection. Okay. Port 9090 unavailable. Retry. There's a parenthesis there. Yeah, I think that this needs to change as well. Because almost certainly this is what they're going to see when they first load it up. The stream died? That's annoying. Okay, I do need to wrap this up, but I don't like the retry. I think I'm just going to get rid of that. Yeah, so it just says port 9090 unavailable down there, which is, for now, I think that works. And then if I kill this, device iOS 17.1. I do want to fix this too to show a little more information, but like right now it doesn't show anything. It should show at least this information should show up. But that's a little beyond. There's a lot we could do with this to make it better, but this is already making it better. So, okay, so I'm gonna start this. Oh wait. Nope. Start this. There we go. Come over here, kill that, click that. and then refresh here. There we go. All right, I got my 3. Cool. Now let's kill that. Go here. What do we have? Oh, and I don't want server test. Server test is done. We already know what we got there. That's gone. Delete. Maybe I'll copy that first, then I'll delete it. Okay. Go here. Fix sidebar button on press functionality. Okay. So sidebar icon or button to refresh if port 9090 is already in use or is unavailable. Yes, I don't care. Okay, commit, I think. Well, verify. What's all this? Yeah, good enough. It's fine. Server status is kind of cool actually to pass through, but it would be cooler if this was MobX state tree. It's so much faster. I'd be done by now. Oh my goodness. All the indirection, it just kills me. It just kills me. I don't know what to say. Okay. So 1334. All right. All right. All right. So fix 1334. Display error if port is already in use. All right. So fixes 1334. Table tr td or th before th after th tr td, and then I gotta image source equals this, width equals 300, td right? Separation of concerns can be an issue. Well, and like, yeah, it's very unnecessary separation. I'm for it if it makes sense. Okay. Oh, I forgot to. Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, not before and after. That's not what I have. It's connected or not connected. Connected or... Okay. This adds an icon to the left sidebar that indicates the connection or the server, not connected, listening, server started. Okay. Server status started or stopped, started, or port unavailable. Should I change all of the port? I'm going to. I'm totally going to. Port in use stuff. So everywhere that port in use is, I think I need to, whoops. Yeah. So instead of port in use, I'm going to port unavailable. I think that makes way more sense. By the way, notice it changed all of them in all these areas. That's what F2 does. That's what F2 does. It's really good. It changes it everywhere it's used. Okay. In use. Let's look for in use. So port in use. So this again, go to use standalone, and then port in use. Going to, again, F2. Port unavailable. Then I'll guess I have to do that. So port in use. Port unavailable. No. Okay, it didn't work there. There's probably a way to fix that elsewhere, but okay. All right, more port and uses. Let's go change all those. I think I could actually just do a port unavailable, replace all. Yes, thank you. Now I need to port in use is right here. Port unavailable. All right. Port in use payload, last one. That's fine. And that's fine. Okay, I think I got it. What's this one though? Is that it? Let's verify that. Okay, I just need to rebuild. All right. Seems like it's working. Okay. Let's see if it gets it right. Nope. Push that up. Okay. Port unavailable. Clicking the icon reloads Reactotron, which is a quick and dirty way to attempt reconnection. In the future, you can handle it more elegantly. Let's throw Mark and Josh on there. I don't have any tests. Yeah, I mean, this seems to do the job. Sidebar button. I am not big fan of the use reducer and provider context. DX. Yeah, I mean, this just doesn't make sense to me. These examples were wrong. I fixed them. Yeah, I think we're there. I think we're there. Have you ever worked on a project where there was internationalization and many text work takes 2 times? Yeah, actually I have. And you're right. Everything takes a lot longer. That's true. By the way, I'm sorry about all the pretzel rocks messages. It's because I'm not paying for it right now. So they dump it into the chat. It is what it is. I would pay for it, but I don't stream very often. It's pretty fun though. I like streaming. Okay. On error, then we emit port unavailable. I like it. Right? Otherwise we just console error. Yeah, I don't mind it. This is pretty solid. This is good work. This is good work. It seems like for the amount of time we worked, it shouldn't have taken, like, I should have more to show for this, but it's cool. It's cool. And I learned a lot. I learned a lot. Yeah. Sweep rules. Oh, I forgot I put sweep AI. That's interesting. I should turn off sweep. I don't want that on there. I'm done though. I am done. Hey, thanks everybody. Gamerito, Warren, should do more streams. Live cutting is fun. Yeah. Mark elsewhere, appreciate it. Cuban Sandwich, lots and lots of help from Cuban Sandwich. Let's see who else dropped by. We had Barrett. I'm missing some people. Frank Calise, probably in bed now. Akil even stopped by to say hi. Juan Gonzco. Yeah. I mean, Jersey Milker, Jesse. A few others. Nice to chat with all these folks. That was fun. Kane. It is fun. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, thank you, Cuban Sandwich. Thanks a lot, Gamerito. Hope you guys come back. Looks like you followed. I appreciate that. I'm gonna try to do more of this stuff. I don't really do React Native Live anymore. It's stuff that's related to React Native, but I don't do React Native Live as a show. It's just more like Jamon Stream now. So I'll probably rebrand it, you know, not be React Native Live anymore. It'll be, well, I have Jamon's Code Quests on YouTube. There's a new YouTube landing soon, a new YouTube video on Jamon's Code Quest. So go to YouTube, Jamon's Code Quests, and subscribe there. And new one dropping pretty soon about Ignite version 9, and then I'm going to do one about Reactotron version 3. So all that coming up. And I won't bother rating anybody with only 5 viewers, but I appreciate all 5 of you. You're awesome. I will see you all later. Good night, everybody.